my heart, breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day.
Hey guys, Kalula here, or Callie, and welcome to day 18. Oh my gosh, day 18 of Vlogmas, and officially 1 week left of this. Like, 1 week. Next week today is Christmas. That is crazy. I am currently trapped. My cat Fury, hey, he is sleeping on me. Well, he just woke up because I moved. This is how big he is. And I feel bad if I move him. I have like 2 rows left of my body panel of the ribbing before I have to bind off. But he climbed in my lap and fell asleep, and he doesn't do that often. I'm just like, oh my gosh, I can't move him. I feel bad. But that is currently what is happening. I should be finished by now, but I think I'll let him stay on my lap a little while longer, and then I will come back and finish up my ribbing, and hopefully the Italian bind off doesn't take forever with these 200 plus stitches, but we will see. I do want to get started on the sleeve today, but even if I don't, I'll be fine because I have all of next week to finish the sleeves, so I'm not in any true hurry because the sleeves will be done very soon. That is my little update for right now, and I will get back to knitting as soon as my cat gets off my lap.
Feeling alone, kinda misty, waiting now for you to come. It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm, sitting by the fire and dream. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above.
Alright, Fury has finally left my lap, but I was still able to knit while he was on there because he doesn't mind movement. Like if I shift or anything, he will just shift with me. Unlike the other cats, if you shift once, they are gone. But Fury, he doesn't mind because he's like, I'm comfortable, I want to stay here. Anyway, I finished my ribbing. Guys, I finished the ribbing, okay? Which means it's time to bind off. I'm going to do the Italian bind off. That is now my favorite bind off method. Even though I'm gonna have to use a super long strand of yarn to weave in and bind off. Yeah. I don't mind. I'm actually excited because finally I'm done with the body part, you know? Let me show you what the body looks like on me so far. This is what it looks like. You can see it's literally almost as long as my sweatshirt. My waist is right here, and this is hitting right there. So pretty long, and I still have the ribbing to do. I'm just ready to get to the sleeves. And my sister Kahila already did the sleeves and the decreasing and everything, and since we both are doing the medium, well, she did the medium, and since I'm doing the medium, she kept track of all of the decreases that she had to do. Yeah, decreases? Mm-hmm. Yeah, all of the decreases she had to do for the sleeves, so I don't have to do any crazy counting or anything. I can just look at what she sent me and smooth sailing. Yes. So I'm going to bind off, and that will probably be all that I do in this video, honestly. Just finish up the body and then do the advent calendar. I'm excited to see what color it is today, but we'll get to that. Let me bind off.
While the snow is gently falling, we keep busy until late, 'cause tomorrow keeps on calling, and the red man will not wait. So we better get to move on. Let's bring on the evergreens. Keep the chimney clean, you know what I mean, 'cause tomorrow is the day. I can hear the sleigh bells ringing, how they're headed for our house, and the radio.
Hello, I have finished binding off. It took me like a little over half an hour, almost 2 hours, but a little less than that. So maybe an hour and 40 minutes or something. And I'm just so happy that I finished. So this is the bottom edge. I can't wait to block it so that this body stockinette part and the rib part is just like seamless, but it looks really, really good. I am so happy with how this is turning out. It's so weird because I'm used to wearing oversized sweaters, and this is not oversized at all, but that's fine. So tomorrow I'm going to start on the sleeves. I'm not going to start on the sleeves tonight. I just want to rest my hands and my wrists because I have been knitting a lot today and I didn't really take a lot of breaks, which is not good. Don't do that, guys. But I'm going to rest my hands for the rest of the night and come back tomorrow strong. So now that means it is time for the advent, and I'm gonna open it with my sister again just so that we can see what it looks like. But of course it is day 18 and this is the one we're opening. Yesterday's yarn turned green. Surprise. Maybe today's own is probably gonna be more green and probably transitioning into another color, but we'll see. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, here we go. Oh, okay. Alright. Ready?
Yeah. Not opening it.
I'm not.
Okay, we hold it up. You guys see it? Alright, open in 3, 2, 1.
I already look.
Whoa! What?
Okay.
Where did this pink come from?
This pink rushed
Right.
into here.
Bro,
like,
it didn't even give us a warning.
what?
It said, hello, I'm
First
here.
of all, I love this color. It's giving me pastel watermelon. I am so in love with how the pink just popped up because it still looks like yesterday's color, but with pink added, and it has blue speckles. The blue speckles coming back into play. It was in play for so long. The gray colors that I saw in the 2 days ago color, that's making an appearance, and the brownish color is basically gone. Let me see if I can find it anywhere. No, I wonder if yesterday had any pink poking through. Let me show you from the top so that you guys can see yesterday's color and today's color next to each other and decipher this. Okay, we don't really have to decipher it, but let's look at it. Okay, this is yesterday's and this is today's. Yeah, there are no pinks in here to indicate that. Oh, whoa, hold up. There is one dot of pink. One. Oh, a little more. a little more. I see just like a really big dot here, a little blue speckle. You know, maybe I should look at the bottom more, but that's still not any indicator for this to turn super pink like the way it turned with all of these blue speckles. But I like that it still has the green elements from yesterday's own. I can't wait to show the entire thing together again, but it's just too much to pull out and put up each time. So next week, you'll see everything together, but just look at these two together. It does fade nicely though, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, at this point, I cannot guess what tomorrow's colorway would be, but I'm excited to see what it'll be because I like surprises when it comes to this, and it has been surprising me so far, so we will see how it turns out tomorrow. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new and you haven't done so already. Join my Discord if you want to get updates on what I'm doing. I do send out a lot of notifications there. If you don't like notifications, turn it off. If you don't mind, you will get a lot of them from me because I'm gonna update you guys on every single thing. And also you can share all of your beautiful projects, your beautiful yarns, and your beautiful needles and hooks and stitch markers there as well. I love seeing everything you guys get. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with another vlog. Bye!